Jake Palmer Remax here. I'm at 385 Duke Street West on the west side. Beautiful duplex with a nice backyard, lots of room for parking, and two really nice big bright units. I'm going to head up through the back here, show you the backyard, then we'll look at the owner's unit. There's a second video with the lower unit, the tenant's unit, that you can see as well. But as you can see, it's got a really nice fenced yard. Lots of room for parking and just a lot of space. So we're going to go through the back door initially, and then I'll shoot a second video of the lower unit in the porch. So coming through the back door and upstairs, and I call this the owner's unit because the current owners occupy this unit, but you can certainly occupy the main unit if that's your preference. This one's got a laundry room in the back. So nice big mudroom area, full laundry back here, lots of room for storage as you can see. Just lots of nice big space where you first come in. You come into the kitchen with nicely painted, nice and bright. The upstairs units are typically quite a bit brighter, and that's certainly the case with this one. Off the kitchen is the first bedroom. Closet's off to the corner there. Full bathroom. So that's a full tub, flush around the corner there, vanity. They're nice big bathrooms in both units, so lots of storage. This one's got a movable dishwasher. Closet over in the corner, like a pantry basically. Broom closet on the side. Nice big dining room space. If you see the video for the lower unit, they've just got a small table, but this gives you a sense there's a lot of room here for a large table if you want. Second bedroom. And then this is a really nice space. Nice big living room. Room for nice big furniture, room for nice big sectional really. A little bit of a nook over here. Downstairs has got a similar setup. It's more underneath the staircase downstairs. And then a really beautiful porch. As you can see, you get nice views of the reversing falls bridge over there. Just a nice view of the west side basically. And so that concludes the video tour for 385 Duke Street. If you have any questions about this listing, please feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 650-0092, and my email address is jake@jakepalmer.ca.